So I took weeks to design this enclosure, and finally I made it simple to myself because this is not easy thing. I don't have all the tools like clamps and all. So I took the support of two MDF pillars for bracing as well as to support this port. So I will explain you. Here will be the front baffle on which sub will be mounted. Okay, and then inside this enclosure there is a port starting from this side, so air will flow from this. Sub is facing at front. Okay, and then this is the port at the back. Okay, this time I decided to go with this design because I had no option. Actually I decided to go with the aeroport, but as you know, previously I had bad experience with aeroport. Bad experience means I am not satisfied. So this enclosure is gonna have pure SPL 1000 watt RMS kicky wave subwoofer. So I decided to make it slot ported only, and it's a pretty long slot port, 31-inch long, and it's tuned to 36 hertz. And what else, let me tell you that internal volume is 2.5 cubic feet, net volume for the sub, and then port area is 19 square inches. So the thumb rule is your port area should be higher than 16, so I kept it 19, so there will be no port noise as well as I will have better SPL. The only reason I used plywood inside for the port walls is the MDF went out of stock, and then I arranged somehow plywood, and it anyway it's a port wall, so should not be a big deal. Stay tuned. So this is how the final version of box looks like. It's 2.5 kV feet net tuned to 36 hertz. So the port starts from here, and then it has the slot output from this side. Okay, here we will mount the subwoofer. You can see here is the port vent. I have given as much as bracing I could, and I purposefully kept the slot port like this because whenever I will travel, my sub will be facing towards the trunk backside and luggage will sit on the top. So this side should be strong. That's why I made the box like this. My subwoofer is also arrived. I will be doing the unboxing soon. But trust me guys, this is very tedious task. Making an enclosure is not an easy task, and honestly I won't be doing this again. This was just for our experiment for our channel. The box looks nice, but I almost needed lots of efforts, lots of time to prepare this box. This is original green ply MDF. Let me show you. You will see the brand somewhere. Okay, the brand name got hidden inside, but it's a green ply MDF. And honestly, this MDF is strong, but I'm not as happy as the MDF used in Viper audio enclosures. That looks very bright compared to this, and the sound damping quality of that MDF is completely different. I have not seen that kind of MDF in any of the enclosure thereafter. I got DD 712, 612. Both enclosures were from Delhi, but I should say the Viper Audio, Rohit Dudeja, that guy is brilliant. His box is ultimate. You can blindly go for it. I won't be making enclosures again, and if I decide to do so, I will be doing it on commercial basis. This was just for my fun experiment. Now I will install 1000 watt RMS subwoofer inside this. That's why it's kind of big. It was even bigger than this, but I decided to go little smaller because it would have bottomed out my subwoofer. My plan was to use Aeroport in even in this box, but as you have seen my previous setup, ground zero, I am not happy with the Aeroport, at least in the car. In home it might sound different, and that sub is dedicated to be used in home because it has extremely low fs, 22 hertz. You won't find such subwoofer easily, so I kept that subwoofer only for home audio, and this will be in car audio. And in car audio I cannot compromise with the performance. In home audio it's okay, I won't be loud all the time, but in car audio I will be loud all the time. Okay, so stay tuned, let's see how it performs. So I made another blender now. This box does not fit. I am unable to close the boot door. I think if I remove this plastic cover, then I will be able to close it, but it will look super ugly. I already removed the mat. You can see parcel tray, the mat, everything I removed. Now I'll have to remove this boot door as well. This is the enclosure. Port starts from this end and comes out to this end. Now I will do some free air test of the sub. So I have connected only one voice coil purposefully to check if both voice coils are working perfectly fine. Now we will test the sweep tone. It's not moving. Even in free air it's making bass. I can hear the bass. Now let me connect the another voice coil. I'll pause the video over here. So I connected another voice coil just for testing. Okay, ignore the connections. It's not a permanent one, just to test for a minute or so. Okay, another voice coil is also working. I will keep the same volume. Now I will connect both of the voice coils, so it will go on 1 ohm. So somehow I managed to connect both voice coils. The terminals are small, that's why I could not fit 6 square mm wire which I had previously. I had to remove it, and then I plugged in the smaller wire, and this one has the ferrules, so I managed to grab them both together. So this positive went to positive on that side, and negative came to -1, so it's in parallel. I will set it to reverb because the speak on terminal I had, okay, it's on reverse. So the speak on terminal I had was previously connected in reverse mode. I just hope the sub should not fall down. It's at 1 ohm now. Smooth movement. The plant, which is the streamline on top, checks if there's a sample. Okay, that's enough. I will now mount the sub. Let's go from that, cut that pussy in like crack.
Shake it, shake it, muscle tone, she a bad bitch. She got a friend of my nine, So baby, how much you gon' charge me? Boy, I got a man. Well, I don't give a damn, 'cause I'ma get that pussy.